Hey everyone, Crash with Crashly here. I have another Diamond Art Club first look for you. This is one of my favorite Black Friday releases that they did. This is And the Day Begins by Peggy Collins. So as you all know, Peggy Collins is one of my all-time favorite artists, and we happen to be licensed with her for diamond painting accessories. So premium release papers, pens, cover minders, tumblers, like just check it out. She has been so amazing to work with. I'm a big fat Peggy Collins fan. Just throwing that out there. I love this image. This is part of her alcohol ink series. Like, look how beautiful that is. The way she captures the colors with the sunset. I'm obsessed. So this diamond painting kit is 98.8 centimeters by 55.8 centimeters or 39 by 22 inches. And it is a square drill kit. We do have our new box with the sleeve here that you could see, which we will open that in just a second. So on the side here, we have another thumbnail with the size and everything, so you could store it however you want and still know what it is. And here on this side, we have more information. This is 85 colors, including 2 ABs and 2 fairy dust diamonds. Total diamonds here is 88,928. Whew! This thing is massive. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'm going to take it out of the sleeve here. Now, like I said, this kit is from Diamond Art Club's Black Friday releases. It is currently sold out, but you can search for And the Day Begins by Peggy Collins, and you can sign up for restock notifications. You just put in your email, and then they will notify you as soon as it comes back in stock. So definitely do that because this is a must-have, for sure. We have our toolkit here, our tray, and our pen, everything you need to do the diamond painting. And we'll take out our canvas here, and we have our symbols. Let's set this off to the side here. Just a second. All right, let's go ahead and look at our symbols here. Here is our Treasure Quest card. You can use to collect these on the back. You could scratch this off and redeem it for rewards such as gift cards and even a custom diamond painting eventually. This particular one is bronze. If you want more information about the Treasure Quest cards, I have a link in the description of the video, so check it out. Here is another close-up picture of it. Look at that. Oh, those colors. They're just so beautiful. I can't wait to see the kit. So yeah, let's open this up. Here are different symbols. We have our special drills at the end. As always, we have 2 ABs and 1 fairy dust. The fairy dust is the one with the Z. And these are all individual stickers here that you could see. You can use these on your containers to kit up your diamond painting. And the thumbnail picture here is also a sticker you can use on your containers. You have start, end date, or you can use it to like scrapbook the paintings you complete, whatever you want to do. And we have our quick how-tos on the inside. Let me just put this back together here, and then we will open up the canvas. I can't wait to see it. So it is sold out, like I said. So how many of you here, how many of you got this one? I gotta know. I love it. I just love the image so much. Okay, let's see. Am I right side up? I never seem to get it the first try. Let's see. There we go. All right, let's open it up. Oh my gosh, look at this. This is beautiful. Oh, it's massive. Yeah, so this is another one that's like, it's stunning in person. Look at all those colors. This is it has some confetti on it, but it's not like gives you a stomachache kind of confetti. But the way she captures these oranges, and I really like this, like you could kind of see the swirl in between the color shifts. It's stunning on the bottom and on the top. And look, we have our color shift lines over here as well. Oh, that is just beautiful. And of course we have our list of symbols on both sides of the canvas. This one's a little curly because I just opened it up and it's over there. And we have our thumbnail on the bottom with the artist name and the title. All right, so I'm not going to go through the drills individually because this is a first look. Now, if you do want me to list them one by one, I do not mind making a separate video it would be my pleasure. Just let me know if you'd like to see them one by one. But here is a close-up of the color palette. We have lots of beautiful reds and oranges and like cream colors and purples and pinks. It's a beautiful color palette here. Really bright colors. Alright, yeah, so let me know if you want to see those individually, and I will post a separate video of that. And yeah, let's take a closer look at each corner of the canvas so you all can see. Like I said, there's confetti, but like also like a mixture of some color blocking. It's not like horrible confetti. But Peggy does, I love Peggy's work, like all of them. She's like, I think known from the diamond painting world for her cats and her stained glass animals and stuff. But since, you know, we licensed Peggy Collins for our accessories, I go through her gallery, and these alcohol ink ones are, I swear, like some of my favorites. They look fantastic on diamond painting pins too. And like I said, those are at craftswithcrashly.com if you wanted to take a look. She is licensed, so she gets paid for everything. But this kit is beautiful. I'm impressed with how well Diamond Art Club rendered this, honestly. I think it's fantastic, because if you don't know a lot about alcohol ink, like it flows. It just kind of has a mind of its own, right? So to render it and to capture that is just, it's so impressive to me. Now, if you want a slower view of the canvas that I'm showing here, feel free to change the speed of it. If you make it slower so you can see the canvas up close better. And we're at the bottom here. There we go. All right. So it's a quicker unboxing for you all. I love this kit. It's one of my favorites. I can't wait to start it, honestly. It's just beautiful. It is sold out, so go sign up for the alerts. And yeah, let's see. Maybe they'll restock it soon. Who knows? I don't know. But that's all I have for you for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. If you are brand new, please subscribe. Hit the thumbs up on your way out. So until next time, everyone, bye-bye.